This aircraft is equipped with emergency floor lights that lead to all exits. Load and let go. The door will swing outwards.
All exits are equipped with evacuation slides. All evacuation slides, with the exception of those immediately behind the wings, can be detached and used as rafts in the event of a water landing. In an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. Carry-ons may block the aisle and damage the slide.
If the cabin pressure changes in flight, an oxygen mask will appear above your seat. Quickly reach for the mask and pull it firmly towards you. This starts the flow of oxygen.
Ensure the plastic bag is clear of the mask and place the yellow cup over your nose and mouth. Secure it to your face with the elastic band, which may be tightened by pulling on the tabs located on either side of your mask. The plastic breather bags may not necessarily inflate.
Continue to breathe normally until advised that it is no longer needed. We suggest that you apply your mask first and assist your child with an additional mask, making sure it fits tightly to the face.
A life vest is located beneath, between, or adjacent to your seat.
To remove the life vest from the compartment, pull the red tab. Remove the life vest from the plastic bag by pulling the plastic tabs. Hold the life vest in front of you. Pull the vest over your head and wrap the strap around your waist. Attach the buckle and pull the loose end to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab in front or by blowing air into the tube at the top.
It is a federal offense to remove any vest from the aircraft. For location and operation of an infant life vest,
please be told to safety briefing card or ask the flight attendant.
The cabin safety card containing more information about this aircraft is located in your seat pocket in front of you. Please take a few moments to review this important safety information.
We ask for your help in preparing the cabin for departure. Please check to see that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your tray table is closed and locked, and your seat back is in its full upright position.
Make sure that your headrest and video monitors are in the stowed position and your carry-on items are properly stowed completely beneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead compartment. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking and vaping, including the use of electronic smoking devices, are not permitted at any time on board this aircraft. For your safety, our lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. Federal regulations prohibit the tampering, disabling, or destroying of any impulsive packers, and crew member instructions is required.
Laptops and items equivalent in size must be stowed during taxi, takeoff, and landing. Small personal electronic devices may be used at any time during the flight.
Devices with transmitter features must be placed in airplane mode. However, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi usage are allowed. During flight, if your electronic device falls under or between your seat, please do not adjust your seat. Ask a flight attendant for assistance. For guests in our business or first class cabin, please ensure that your foot and leg rests are in the stowed position.
And if you're sitting next to the window, please raise your window shades for takeoff. Your flight attendant call button and reading light control are located on your touchscreen.
Please feel free to call upon us if you need any assistance during the flight. On behalf of all of us here at Hawaiian Airlines, thank you very much for choosing to fly with us. Mahalo nui ke kohoana e lele pume mako.
Enjoy your flight.